Friends, I'm Sean. This is a Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how you can install the access panel to your to the wall. So this is the access panel we have here. The way you have to do it, you just put the access panel on the wall and measure the inside the access panel. So I just mark the inside the access panel and start cutting it with the salsa. You want to measure it, so you just put your access panel the way you want. You put the level on the top. When it's level, you just mark your line inside your access panel. After you're done with the cutting, you put the access panel, and if you have a stud next to the access panel, you just put the screw through the access panel to get to the stud. Or if you don't have a stud next to that, just before you put that, put the adhesive glue around the access panel, and after that install the access panel. So it's very easy to install it. And we thank you for watching and have a great day.